captain of Team REVENANTi. We're one of the best teams in Italy, and today we're going to show the world what we're made of. First feature, we have an interaction between a human and a robot. We use artificial intelligence for facial recognition. Now that plays the king in our story, recognizes me, opens his hand, and grabs the king's seal, which in this case is the king's spectre. Next feature is a robot-to-robot interaction. Bogey, with a broadcast network and a peer-to-peer network, controls the different movements of all of our rovers in different times of the performance. Is an interaction with the outside environment. Our robot, Bogey, has a microphone in it that, based on the intensity of the music that it hears, the LED can light up. It can become more intense or less intense. Last feature is a human-robot interaction. Aster reacts in different ways based on the hand movements detected by his sensor.
Main programmer for Bogey. Bogey's role is to communicate with the other robots when I interact with him. The first way I interact with him is using the library face recognition, which uses a hog model, which takes an image and it divides it into different cells. It takes the information from these cells and creates an encoding. This encoding then gets compared to the encoding from the training set. And if it's correct, that means it recognized correctly a face. The second way that I interact with Bogey is using these wands, where we use a library called OpenCV, which not only recognizes the outside color of the ring, which it also recognizes the square and the inside color of the square to make sure there are no false positives.
Our next robot is K1. He is the dancer in our performance. He will help now distract death to try to help the night run away.
Aster is a handmade robot. He has 16 servo motors and a gesture sensor, which allows us to have a human-robot interaction by swiping our hand and he responding with the correct movements. Then we have also Aster's walker that is also a handmade ball by us and allows Aster to simulate a walk, and he has 5 LEDs that blink at different parts of our performance. And the last of them shows that Aster has to run away. And then we have also 2 flags, and those are part of our robot-robot interaction because they are directly commanded by Bogey with a peer-to-peer connection.
This is an example of our knight Aster running away from death. He's capable to do this thanks to his walker. This is another example of our knight Aster running away from death. Every time someone passes their hand in front of the sensor, Aster does another set of movements. This is how Aster will signal to the king that he needs his help.
I'm the humanoid robot now in 2 different ways. One using CoreGraph and one using Python in a Linux operating system. Its code starts when its foot sensor called bumpers are touched. Once they are touched, now facial recognition starts. It's divided into 3 phases. First is when the camera is activated. The second is when now runs an algorithm for detecting faces. And once it's detecting the EMA's face, it searches on its database for a match. When the EMA's face is recognized, it matches and the performance will start. For programming now, we use the various models, for example, all face tracker or all face detection, and now Python SDK.
The first phase of the construction of Bogey is the creation of the scar using the 3D printer, Reality Engine V2. The second phase involved the construction of the chest. Now Bogey is acting his movements.
This is a simulation of what our robot Bogey, our narrator, will do during our performance.